everyone, welcome back to my channel. So excited for having you here. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, subscribe. So today we are going to do ponytail bangs. No glue, no gel. It's very simple and easy. Everyone can do it yourself. So without much ado, let's get into the video. So I'm creating the C part for this bangs to be on the other side, and I will slick the rest back. So kindly watch me as I'll talk to you guys again. Forget about what you're going through. Never give up. Let me share my story with you. One day I decided of starting my own business. However, after facing multiple setbacks and failures, I began to doubt myself and gave up on my dream. But one day I stumbled upon a quote that said, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." I was inspired by those words, so I decided to give myself another chance. With renewed determination, I persevered through the challenges, and eventually Deuteronomy 31:6 said, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you." I remember this quotation every day. If I go through it, it always inspires me. So what I'll tell you now is that never give up. Keep trying. Everything will work well for you. So here I'm going to use gold extension 12 inches for my bangs. I use bobby pin to secure it before insert in my hair. I roll it all over the hair. I wanted it to be so full, so I added another bundle to it. Roll it. After you are done, then you pick one of the strand, then you wrap it. So I have to measure the strand that will be okay for my bangs. I either want to cut it to spoil the extension, so I have to fold them for the perfect look. course, you're going for no gel, no glue, so I used a little bit of gel for my edges, only the edges.